Even with the beginning of March, the signs of spring seem further away than ever. Students and faculty share their own opinions on the weather and how the harsh conditions are affecting their daily lives.
I have to wake up extra early to start my car, make sure it starts so I'm not late for class. I've been late for class a couple of times.
Thomas Sanchez, a Texan at heart, has an attitude towards the weather that's about as bitter as the cold. He shares his frustrations with college week.
I've had to go out and invest in some snow boots, which frankly I see is unnecessary, but living up here in these conditions, I had to adapt.
Wendy Dooley, the program coordinator at the University of Sioux Falls, has a different approach to dealing with the weather and says it doesn't affect her as much.
The weather doesn't really affect me because it is what it is, and I just choose to focus on other things besides the weather and just get up and get my cup of coffee on my way in, and I'm good to go.
Quentin Woodard says the sub-zero temperatures impact his daily life and hopes the snow will be melting soon.
I was kind of happy we got warmed up because when I did, me and my friends, we went out sledding and stuff. And then when it got cold again, we were bummed out because we were going to go sledding again, and it was annoying.
Sanchez shares strong dislike towards the new apparel he needed to invest in while living in this climate and feels imprisoned by the weather.
I'm not a big fan of beanies, but I've had to invest in a couple to keep my ears warm. I had to buy a scarf, and I don't wear scarves, but I needed to be extra warm due to this weather. I had to go buy gloves, and I don't like gloves. My hands feel like they're in jail.
Well, there you have it. Prison is not where our hands want to be. For College Week, I'm Rob Goffney.